In the fast-paced mobile technology world, Samsung has been a leader in innovation, especially with high-end tablets. After the success of the Galaxy Tab S9 series, people are eagerly awaiting the new Galaxy Tab S10 lineup, expecting improvements in performance, design, and features. Leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Tab S10 suggest it could become one of the top tablets available. Samsung seems to be leaning towards bigger screens for its upcoming premium tablets. Earlier models like the Galaxy Tab S8 and S9 included smaller versions, but it looks like the Tab S10 series may drop the 11-inch model. This move shows Samsung's focus on the Plus and Ultra versions, which are aimed at users who want bigger screens and better performance. By choosing larger displays, Samsung is meeting the demand for tablets that work well for both productivity and entertainment. The 14.6-inch screen on the Tab S10 Ultra is set to compete with some of the biggest tablets on the market, making it ideal for those who need a high-performance tablet with a large display. Leaks about the design show that Samsung is sticking with what worked in the Galaxy Tab S9 series. The metal body and the notch for the dual front cameras are coming back. While some users wanted a notch-free design, Samsung seems to think the benefits of keeping it are worth it. The bezels around the screen are also expected to be more polished, offering a good mix of style and function. A new highlight for Samsung's tablets is the addition of two USB Type-C ports, marking the first time they've been included. Located on the bottom edge, these ports provide more ways to connect, making the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra a great choice for users who need more flexibility. You can charge the tablet while using other devices or easily transfer data, thanks to the dual ports that add more convenience. Another rumored update for the Galaxy Tab S10 series is a special AI button on the Bluetooth keyboard and keyboard covers. This shows Samsung's increasing interest in artificial intelligence, which will be more prominent in its future products. The AI button will likely connect to Samsung's AI tools, giving users easy access to smart features. Leaked images hint that this button will be placed between the spacebar and the right Alt key, making it simple to reach. While the exact uses of the AI button are still unknown, it might let users customize it for tasks like launching Bixby voice commands, getting smart suggestions, or using AI tools for productivity. The tablets are expected to feature up to 45 watts of fast charging, similar to what was seen in the Tab S9 series. The Galaxy Tab S10 lineup is also likely to keep the S Pen, building on the success of earlier models. The S Pen is important for users who need precise input for tasks like taking notes, drawing, or editing documents. Given how popular the S Pen is, Samsung will likely keep improving its functions and might even add some AI features. Samsung's premium tablets usually come with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and the Tab S10 series is expected to follow suit. For storage, it's rumored that the highest-end Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra could have up to 1 TB of storage and 16 GB of RAM. This would make it one of the most powerful tablets available, able to handle heavy multitasking. Whether you're editing high-quality videos, working on large design projects, or using multiple apps at once, the Tab S10 Ultra should have enough processing power and memory to manage it all. One of the most unexpected changes with the Galaxy Tab S10 series is Samsung's move to using MediaTek processors. For a long time, Samsung has used Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips in its high-end tablets, but now the company seems to be exploring other options. Specifically, the Galaxy Tab S10 series is likely to feature the Dimensity 9300 processor. Some users may be worried about this change, but early reports suggest that the Dimensity 9300 is a powerful chipset that should perform as well as Snapdragon processors. A key reason for this switch might be cost savings. The Dimensity 9300 is said to be about 10% cheaper than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which could allow Samsung to reduce costs without losing performance. Even with this change in processors, most users probably won't notice any big differences in how the tablet performs. The Dimensity 9300 is capable of handling tough tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking just as smoothly as Qualcomm's chips. The Galaxy Tab S10 series was originally expected to launch at the July 2024 Galaxy Unpacked event along with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, but the tablets were not shown. This has left many fans curious about the official release date. Recent rumors now point to an October 2024 launch for the Galaxy Tab S10 series. When it comes to pricing, no official information has been released yet. However, it's expected that the Galaxy Tab S10 series will have a similar price range to the previous Galaxy Tab S9. This suggests that the Ultra model will likely be priced at a premium, while the Plus version could be slightly more affordable for those who don't need the latest features. The Tab S9 series may also experience price cuts, making it a more budget-friendly choice compared to the new tablets. In summary, the Galaxy Tab S10 series aims to build on the success of earlier models while introducing new features and improvements. Although the design may not change dramatically, the combination of better performance, improved connectivity, and smart features should make the Galaxy Tab S10 series a strong competitor in the tablet tablet market. With a potential release in October 2024, more details about what the Galaxy Tab S10 family will offer are expected to emerge soon. We'll be sharing updates on the channel, so don't forget to hit subscribe for the latest updates and give this video a like if you found it helpful or informative.